Hi, I'm Craig Jackson, a realtor with Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate. Today I want you to see my featured listing at Fielding Ridge in Peachtree City, Georgia. As you drive up to this Huddleston Thompson custom-built home, the first thing you'll notice is the exquisite landscaping surrounded by a lush green carpet of emerald zoysia grass, irrigated by a full sprinkler system. The islands are edged with custom curbing. Inside the 3,356 square foot traditional home, you'll find it equally impressive and immaculate with many upgrades. The two-story foyer and large dining room with seating for 12 plus has triple crown molding, hardwood oak floors, thick plush pile carpeting, and tile cover the floors of the different rooms throughout this home. The kitchen features granite countertops, a large island with a downdraft cooktop, and custom drawers for pots and pans. The great room, breakfast nook, and master bedroom all have unique ceiling heights and all have access to an oversized deck with a fantastic view. The master bath is equally impressive with its high-end tile, jetted garden tub, and large glass surround shower. Two bedrooms share a recently remodeled full bathroom with quartz countertop on the upper level. A fourth bedroom is located on the terrace level, where all rooms have 9-foot ceilings and finished like the main level. The media room has built-in speakers by Speakercraft. This level also houses an oversized 3-car garage and large workshop/storage room, complete with built-in workbench and utility sink. Other features include plantation shutters, several French doors, central vacuum system, home security system, upgraded trim, and built-in cabinets. This home is less than 2 blocks away from the award-winning Kedron Elementary School and less than 1 block from the Kedron Aquatic Center and Field House, covered skating rink, and playground with quick access to Peachtree City cart paths. This home has been lovingly cared for by its original owners.